Hi guys, so today I'm back here for another video, and in today's video I just want to talk about what you can do to make your car look brand new after you have damaged it. And so yeah, first things first, let's go damage the car, and I'll just be using this with the Logitech G29. And let's just get out of this parking lot and damage the car. Perfect, there's the building right there. Let's use some NOS. Good. Let's just reverse into something. That's perfect. And now into this car. That's what we like to see. And I'll just stop here and then just show you the damages. So this often happens, we're driving around, we crash into stuff, and then the car gets damaged. Right? Actually, I could damage it some more. Just a second. Gain some speed, and then perfect. So let's look at the damages. As you guys can see, the car is now damaged, right? And oftentimes we don't really like driving like that. So what you have to do is just press on options. Let's wait for that to load up. After you're on options, go to select vehicles. And after that, just head down to customize. Select customize. Perfect. Now, once you've done that, just back out. And back out again. And then again after that. And now you guys will see that the car is going to look brand new. Like nothing ever happened. And I'll use the controller just to move the camera around. As you guys can see, not a single scratch, nothing. It's like brand new. And yeah guys, so pretty much that was the video I had in mind for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to help you. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video or you found it helpful. If you have any feedback, please feel free to leave in the comments below. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, see you in the next one.